Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your lofter, aka home checker. Today we're at an apartment very close to NTNU, which is on Shida Road. And there are 5 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Let's see. Okay, so we're now at the first floor of the building. It's Shida Road in front of us. From that is just the direction of the MRT, Taipei Power Building MRT. There are some stores, and it's on the second floor. Okay, it's right here. This is the front door. When you walk in, there is you can see it's the living room. They have a very special ceiling, and there are 5 bedrooms, A, B, and C. And 2 more over there, and on the left is the bathroom, and here is the living room and the open dining table or kitchen. Yeah, let's start from the living room. So you can see they have a very good design of the wall, and some couches and a coffee table. There's the microwave, freezer and a fridge, and there's Wi-Fi and a projector. So there's a screen there, so you can play some Netflix. Okay. And here is the open dining table. Very cool. And there's where you can do your garbage bin and recycle places. And there's a chair and a kettle and an electricity stove and a sink. Okay. Here is some glasses, cups for you to use. Yeah. And so let's check out room B. It's a bright room. The color of the wall is light green or blue, green. Yeah, so there's a mirror, and it's a standard double bed, and there's a very big window and a desk and chair and a shelf here, some greens, and a curtain, a split AC, and a storage space on top, and an open wardrobe, and a fan, and a little table. Okay, so here's the view from here. This is the Shida Road, which is very close to NTNU. Okay, from this angle. So let's see, room C. Okay, it is room C. It is a single bedroom. There is a open closet here, and you can also put your stuff, hang your stuff here, and some shelf above, and a light, and a desk and chair, and a mirror. And this is a single bed. So it's a single bedroom, but you can enjoy your own private little balcony on here. It's on the right. When you walk in, it's on your right hand. So there's a little balcony for you to use. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's check out the room D and E. So there are two rooms. This one, room D, and room E. So this is a double bedroom. Pretty big. Here is a standard double bed. Some outlets, and there's an open wardrobe right here. And on top is a split AC, and a curtain, and a shelf, and a desk and chair. Okay, and here's the view. So it's on the second floor. And there's no window of this one, so you can hang your stuff here. Okay, and this is room E. So there is also a standard double bed, a mirror, and a lamp, and a little table, a desk and chair. On top you have your shelf and a split AC and curtains. There are two wardrobes and a shelf to put your stuff. And for this one, for room E, there are windows here. Unlock it. Okay. So there are definitely fresh air. Okay, from this angle, okay. And here's a vacuum machine. And this is the shared bathroom. So, toilet, sink, and there's a washing machine, and there's a little, that should be the window. Okay. And here's a curtain to separate it, and here's a shower. Okay. Okay. Thank you.